Okay.
Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna show you guys is our shoe closet or shoe area, Genkan, whatever. So my husband bought these shelves from a store called Daiki. It's pretty much like a home center type situation, and I have more shoes than my husband, so I keep them inside the shoe closet. That way you can't see the mess that's going on. So we got our vacuum cleaner down there, and to the left is a disaster. Eventually I'm gonna figure out how to install more shelves and stuff like that. So yeah, for now it's just a terrible mess. So next up is the bathroom. We finally got a washing machine, but the thing that's under the washing machine is a little too big, so it's not allowing us to fully close the door. So for now we just leave it like that. So in the sink I just have a a white coat, because it got stained with a red wig a long time ago and I'm finally bleaching it. So yeah, to the left I got my stuff, to the right my husband got his stuff. Eventually I'm gonna do a more in detail tour for y'all, so it's gonna be one dedicated video to like my bathroom or my kitchen or my bedroom, etc. So this is the shower area. We haven't used the tub yet, so we've only been taking showers and stuff. So we have our body soaps, shampoos, conditioners, shavers, etc. Next up is the toilet. In that little black bag I have my tampons, pads, etc. And on that shelf we have some extra tissues and towels. I'm gonna buy a rack from IKEA that we're gonna put over the washing machine. That way we can just put our towels on there and like extra laundry detergent stuff, etc, etc. So next is the kitchen. So as y'all can see, the table is a little different and I like it this way. We can switch it up however we want, which is what I like about this table. So we finally got our toaster oven, microwave, and fridge. The fridge is really tiny. I never expected it to be this tiny. And we have a rice cooker as well. I feel like eventually we're gonna buy like a bigger fridge, but not right now. So that's just our bins. In Japan, recycling is a very serious thing, so there are 4 recycle boxes, but like I said, I'm gonna go like in more details like in a different video. So next up is the bedroom, which is what I am doing this voiceover in right now, and if it sounds a little echoey, I don't really understand why, because we have a lot of stuff in here. So yeah, so the right side is my husband's side, and to the left where the vanity is of course my side, because the vanity is there, duh. So yeah, the vanity isn't fully set up. I need to buy my actress mirror, and the table is looking a little weird because there's a plug behind the Alex drawers, and if I push it all the way back I won't be able to plug anything in. So yeah, I'm just showing y'all what the room looks like when the curtains are fully opened. I filmed this very early in the morning, so it is letting in a lot of decent light. So this is what the balcony is looking like, and in the next video, in the next apartment video, I'm gonna be setting up the balcony. We don't get much use out of it right now. We just hang the laundry out here and that's it, but in the summertime we should be able to get a good amount of use out of it. We can just go outside and chill and whatever. So yeah, the next room is the, I don't know if this is weird, but I'm calling it the living and closet room. So this futon right here, this is where I plan on putting the sofa, and we finally have a full-size mirror. I wanted to get something a lot bigger, but we're just we're just gonna work with this one. And I got this mirror from IKEA. It was about $70, I think. Yeah, so my ring light is right here. And the next room is my husband's studio, but it's not the greatest right now, so I'm not gonna show it to y'all. So I finally got all of my clothes like in the closet and stuff. It's still a mess, but this side of the closet is somewhat put together-ish, but the next side I am not gonna show it to y'all. So what I'm gonna do right now is just show you guys the balcony again, but like from a different view. I showed it to y'all from the bedroom view, and this is like the living room slash closet. So yeah. So that was it for this semi-furnished apartment tour. I hope y'all liked it. It wasn't the best, but I just pretty much gave y'all an overview. I'm just trying to show y'all that it's looking somewhat better than what I showed y'all before, and there's just progress happening. It's not a lot. Y'all already know what's going on in the world. So yeah, don't expect too much. Slowly but surely, I will give you guys more apartment videos, like vlogs and shit like that. There isn't much to do. Like I said, mention, I don't know, give me some ideas of what you want to see in the next video. So until then, bye.